206. AMD Versal. What is an AI engine? AMD Versal is a new category of chip called an ACAP. Adaptive Compute Acceleration Platform. Its most unique feature is the AI engine. AIE. Tile array. Unlike traditional FPGA fabric, which is fine-grained logic, an AI engine is a high-performance VLIW, very long instruction word, processor optimized for vector mathematics. Each AIE tile contains a scalar processor, a vector unit capable of performing massive SIMD, single instruction, multiple data operations, and dedicated local memory. These tiles are connected by a programmable network on chip (NOC). This architecture is specifically designed for streaming data applications like 5G beamforming and deep learning inference, while the FPGA fabric (PL) handles complex interfacing and bit-level manipulation. The AI engines provide the raw crunch needed for matrix multiplications, delivering up to 20x the performance of traditional FPGAs for AI workloads.